Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Customers Explode After Getting Kicked Out of Restaurant."
On August 16, 2024, officers responded to a restaurant for a call of an altercation between customers.
Yeah, the Mexican spot?
Look,
to be in here, to be a part, and for you to tell me to shut the and then call the police, like what? No, we don't need to talk.
We do need to talk because we're getting complaints of us.
Ma'am, he gave you a lawful order. You can go outside with us, or you can go out in handcuffs. So you can walk out on your own and talk to
So
us.
you on the same thing they on?
We're taking the situation outside. What's in for?
We just talking. I gotta get everybody's side of the story.
No, ain't no side of the story, but they told us to shut
China, they hillbillies and they hit woman handicapped, so they think this is a 5-star restaurant that they had. So they want
I'm not originally called. That girl sitting down as the
hillbilly and white
instigator.
disabled. He think they a 5-star restaurant.
Which one? The one where it's took that? This one?
Them hillbillies.
Ma'am, let's go.
I ain't gotta go nowhere.
You're coming outside too.
Why? You told me to go somewhere?
74.
With my
Come on,
picture? You
let's go,
told me to go?
Ma'am, let's step outside.
You told me to
please.
go?
I'm gonna ask you one more time.
What?
Step outside.
What? I'm over here.
But you're instigating the situation. Let's go.
Hey, this is good. I told her to leave.
I'm gonna ask you one more time. Step outside.
You got it. I know the chief, and I know all of them. Wait on, come on. I tried to do something.
Damn, she can't even walk straight.
Put my cover on my picture. I'll take it out. Well, I ain't got to pay for nothing. So you take me out. So
Oh, you said to come back and pay your bill.
I ain't paying shit. And I bet you that.
Okay.
I bet you that.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
I've been trying to confuse the whole situation. I've been telling her to hush.
my rights is the same as his. We were
What am I
sitting
here for?
there. Listen, we were sitting there, and
What's up? I know the chief. Let me call.
You make all the chief for you?
What's up? What you want? What you want with me?
First off, we'll lose the tone. Okay.
Hey, listen. What's up?
They go far.
Were you instigating the situation?
Huh?
Were you?
Man, I went to the whole nother. You asked me a question or no?
Okay. When I was standing there, you was instigating the
No, I
situation.
was not.
Yes, you
I
was.
went to the. I was at the table with
Take
them.
a step back.
And you asked me a
Quit waving your
question.
hands in my face, please.
Give me somebody else to talk to, because he don't want to talk. Oh, and she don't look no better.
Well, unfortunately, I'm the supervisor, so you don't have a choice. You can talk to me. Come on over here and talk to me.
Ma'am, they told us to shut the and then
Tell
called
you
y'all.
something. Ask them, man.
And then called you.
Okay, but can y'all lower your voice?
How can we lower our voice when we is a regular customer just like everybody else? We came to
Come on, come on, Sarge. You asking them too much now. Sarge, you asking them too much now. You know they can't lower their voice, man. Come on, Sarge. Sarge know better than that now. Gonna ask him, well, can you lower your voice? Me and you both know the answer to that. The answer is no. And Sarge look like she been around the block 1 or 2 times, man. She been on the force a little minute. So she know the answer to that. And then not only that, you adding liquor in the system? Come on, man. No. That's too difficult, man. They can't do that. They cannot do that. Look at this.
and then
Tell
called
you
y'all.
something. Ask them, man.
And then called you.
Okay, but can y'all lower your voice?
How can we lower our voice when we is a regular customer just like everybody else? We came to sit down. Instead of the waitress coming and the manager telling us we were
left
too
her when she was
loud, they
at
told
my
us to
friend.
shut the
Listen,
Then they called you.
look, listen. They didn't call us.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah.
The restaurant called.
No, okay, the restaurant called.
Yeah.
They told us
He
they
meant-
called you.
Oh, you going to jail.
You're going to jail. We called on y'all.
Well, see, okay. So
Yeah, there was
Called
several.
there.
She said she
There
was
was
paying her
several.
bill.
So now you got several complaints, and we ain't there.
I went to-
We ain't not in no problems. We ain't got no
Yeah.
issues.
But no, other than that, I I moved to another
Ma'am, you got your
table.
ID?
I went to another table.
Ma'am, you have your ID?
Oh, yes. But why my ID need to be?
I need your ID, please.
For what?
Because you're getting criminally trespassed. Y'all back here. I need your ID.
No, they you lying. They just told me I was cool here.
Ma'am.
Who you lying? They lying, but you get mine. I bet you. They ain't told me I couldn't come here. The owner just came and said, I went to the I left my friends.
Yeah, you gotta pay, and then y'all getting criminally trespassed means y'all can't come back.
Not me. I bet you it ain't me.
Yes, ma'am, it is you.
I bet you it ain't.
He tell us y'all need to
I bet you what on it? What on it? I bet you it ain't me. But you get mine. And I'll be here tomorrow.
And make it seem like we disrespected our money just like
And you will
everybody.
too.
We
Cause you
have
ain't
not
nobody.
in no negligence behavior or anything. If
I'm
you
on to a whole
tell
table.
me,
Give
You
it
need
to
to
me.
shut the then you call the police. Like this is retarded.
You got your ID?
No.
All right.
He tells me to shut
Be here tomorrow.
after the waitress talking to us, he can
It's
tell us
okay.
to shut the
I was to a whole other table. The phone went.
Ma'am, come over here. Ma'am, come over here, please. What's your name?
And that white motherfucker ass hillbilly called and they he said, oh, y'all
He
going
told us
to
he
jail.
gonna make sure we go to
Ma'am.
jail.
And y'all
And
made
why
sure he
don't
got-
y'all help them?
Hey,
But where he at?
y'all
Where
gonna
he
have to
at?
calm down.
Where he at? What you talking
If
about?
you
I
was
can never come here
accused
again.
Ma'am,
and
what's
you
your
were
name?
sitting in the
No, they
restaurant,
ain't. That man ain't
say,
never
my
told
name
me.
is
You pay your bill?
I guess this is the bill. Is this your bill?
no.
Is that
This
your
is not my bill. That is not my bill.
Please. They're going to be criminally trespassed, but I mean,
I'm trying to get them.
yeah, because I'm like, well, the other lady, like, I just walked up and she was just being
Because you
ugly.
don't understand the way we did the way the job officer came and tried
I
us.
do
Hold on,
understand
chill.
that.
Chill, let me talk to him.
But
Please let me
listen,
talk to him.
when we come up here and we're trying to figure out what's going on, and y'all were yelling and
Okay.
screaming.
Because the way the restaurant has already came and took sides.
Look,
I understand that.
listen.
I'm not
They was back-
arguing
They
her.
were back there. And so, the white dude, his wife, and he said, y'all shut the fuck up. First of all, it ain't your place to tell
I mean,
nobody
it's
to
really
shut
not.
up. So you disrespecting them.
Go figure out whose
So-
bill that is.
That's not mine.
So like, that ain't something that you do, cause it's a restaurant.
No, I mean, if they
The
have
owner should have took care
The
of
owner should have said
it.
something.
They was there to take care of it. They said while the owner was there, y'all need to shut the fuck up. They said we're gonna make sure y'all take y'all ass to jail.
But that's the thing,
You don't do
nobody's going to jail.
that. You don't do that. And I told them I'm gonna stay here till the police get here. I could have been left before y'all got here. I told them I was be here until the police get here because that's not right. Because I pay my money just like everybody else. If I'm loud, come correct me. And if I don't change
But,
that,
I mean, you're right. But it should have been coming from-
if you don't check me and I don't change it, then you can hold me accountable.
right.
I'm telling her.
Real quick,
white-
y'all need to
I'm
listen.
letting
Listen
her
to
know
me.
what's
Listen
Like
to me.
Jose said, the owner,
Are y'all
I'll
gonna
be here
listen to
tomorrow.
me? Are you gonna listen to me? Hey, yes you do actually.
You touching me?
Yes, you just body checked me.
I did
No,
not body check you.
yes you did. So,
Body check
got it
what?
This is wrong. He been came for this.
back up.
He came for this thing.
Come on, man. She ain't body checked. Hold on. Before I say something, let me run. Oh, good thing we got instant replay, man. Let's run this back, man. This is before I continue with this, what I think happened is that this group came to have dinner just like everybody else. But they're loud, okay? More loud than probably everyone else in the restaurant. So the other couple probably got annoyed and told them to shut up, right? That sounds, all of that sounds believable in both sides of the story. You know, from every party, it's agreed upon that the white couple told them to shut the fuck up. Okay, it like, all right, you know, that's. But on the other hand, the owners or management or whatever should come over and say something, not from another person, but just tell them to quiet down, or whatever. And then if they don't, then whatever. But also on the other hand, that's what should have happened, right? But also on the other hand, you should know how to act at a restaurant. You shouldn't need correcting at a restaurant, especially at your age. You're not a child, right? If people are being loud and stuff like that, and it's coming from a child, we would understand that, right? It's a child. They're still learning. You're a grown adult. You shouldn't need correcting or check me, as in her words, Come on, man. Be reasonable, especially in a spot like that. All the booths are very close. It's a small spot. So noise echoes, really, nothing wrong with talking to your party, laughing, giggling. But we could see from right here that they were over the top. Okay. We could see it. And I'm not even there, but I could tell that they got their drinks, they laughing, ha ha ha. Like, and you're not the only one in the restaurant. Okay. Be respectful of everybody else that's trying to have a nice dinner as well. But anyway, let's go back to this body checking. Okay.
Listen to me. Listen
Like
to me.
Jose said, owner,
Are you
I'll
gonna
be here
listen to
tomorrow.
me? Are you gonna listen to me? Hey, yes you do actually.
You touching me?
Yes, you just body checked me. No.
Hold on. Run it back one more time. This a body check?
Owner,
Are you
I'll
gonna
be here
listen to
tomorrow.
me? Are you gonna listen to me? Hey, yes you do actually.
You touching me?
Yes, you just body checked me.
No.
I did not body check you.
Yes you did. So
Body check what?
This is wrong. He been came for this.
back up.
He came for this same.
That's getting dropped. If that's the body cam footage of the incident,
You're criminally trespassed already, all right?
that's getting
I'm
dropped.
the one who asked her. I'm the one who tried to calm her down.
That's all right.
Yeah, like this is wrong, man.
Stay here.
I was trying to get her down.
She going to jail?
Yes.
Why?
Because she tried to bump into me on her way out.
She did not.
Yes, she did.
Hey, chill out. Look, chill out.
Call my mama.
I'm about to go.
I did not. Call. Y'all can hold the owner here. Y'all, I ain't never tried to do nothing to nobody. Like, I'm up here. Like, for real.
That's a BS arrest. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, she still needs to pay.
Calm her down for this.
She needs to pay.
I don't know what to do.
Yo. Hey.
Listen. She the one that was caught. Like, y'all. Oh, sorry.
All right.
Y'all wasn't doing nothing. I tried to calm them down.
You have literally been defiant since I got out here. You have been defiant. You haven't wanted to cooperate, and you have wanted to be loud. And then
I was trying to get them. Okay.
listen to me. And then when he's trying to talk to you, you turn around.
He didn't try to talk to me. I don't. What we talking about? I'm trying to. I just went in there. The lady said no. Y'all want to take somebody to jail?
Actually, we did it. We just wanted
No. Ask them. I come here 3 times a week. I come here 3 times a week. I come here 3 times a week. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, but we can't let them leave and not pay their bill either. You don't take a week with you.
Hey, y'all still gotta pay your bill before you can leave.
Man, the bill
They need to make sure the bill is right. They done put something on my bill. They made the bill mine.
Calm down for a second, okay?
The bill gonna be paid.
Let's say, look, that's all you gotta do is pay the bill for you, and you can leave, okay?
I'll put her in the car.
No, she's look.
I'm straight.
Look, look, this is the thing, okay? So when I walked in, she was the calmer. You was upset, but you was the calmer one of the two of y'all. She was antagonizing the situation.
Anything, sir.
Ma'am, she was antagonizing the situation. I mean, she was egging it on, okay? and you know she was.
But sir, if you got disrespected, I'm sure you would have antagonized it on as well.
I get that.
They told us to shut the fuck up, and we're gonna make sure y'all go to jail. I'm sorry, I don't want to put my hands. But listen, they told her they were gonna make sure somebody go to jail,
And
sir.
everybody get home
Go
safe.
ahead and run and pay it while I talk to her. You straight.
Sir, they told her they were gonna make sure somebody go to jail.
Let's step out of the road first, because folks can't drive, okay? So look, listen. First off, okay, I understand you felt disrespected, and I get that, okay? But my thing is this. We're all adults, right?
Yes, sir.
We need to handle an adult situation, correct? Adult manner, right?
Yes, sir.
There's kids in that restaurant, okay?
Sir, they couldn't.
I understand. Let me finish, please, okay? I promise you I'm going to give you a chance to talk. I'm not that type of person. I'm not going to cut somebody off, okay? So look, this is where I'm at with it. There's kids in that restaurant. If y'all had a disagreement or you felt some type of way, the best thing to do would be to either A, wait till we get there. Don't say nothing to them. Speak calm, and more especially if you speak calmly to us, one, we can understand what's going on in the situation better. Ms. Knight, will you sign this, please? This is the criminal trespass.
With my hands behind my back.
I'm saying if you're gonna sign it, I'll let you sign it in jail. But are you gonna sign it? That's what I need to know now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, can I sign?
Yeah, I'll sign it when you get to jail. When you get your handcuffs undone. Yeah.
Listen, can I talk to my mama?
I'll roll your window down. Give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. I'll roll your window.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
One woman was arrested for obstruction and trespassed, while the rest of the party was also criminally trespassed from the establishment. Thanks for watching today's video.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. It's a clusterfuck. You know, whatever. I don't know. I said what I had to say earlier, but that checked me or bumped or whatever that was. I mean, if that's the body cam footage and there's no other angle of this, that's getting dropped. That the arrest part at the end, that's what you're gonna arrest. You could have had this, disorderly, whatever. Like, it could have been a whole bunch, but that body check or whatever that was, I mean, I see it as she was just turning around. I don't think, even if she did touch him, I don't know if she did, but because I don't see that on the camera. But if she did, I don't think that was done on purpose. I don't, it's not like she, shoved him or trying to, like, she turned around and was walking away, and he took, I mean, yeah, but whatever. Like I said, they should know how to act in a restaurant. Okay. Period. They don't know how to act. That's the bottom line, man. When you go to a restaurant, you're around a bunch of other people. There's nothing wrong with having a good time, laughing, giggling, haha, but being overly loud and obnoxious to the point where other people can't enjoy their meal and their conversations is a problem. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.